Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. The holiday cookie baking season is officially here, and today I wanted to share with you my chocolate covered pistachio coconut macaroons. These are the easiest and most delicious cookies with just 7 ingredients. You can have them in the oven in no time, and everybody who's tried them absolutely loves them. And I love the combination of the flavors here, the chocolate with the coconut and the pistachio. They're so good. We're going to combine shredded coconut with pistachios and sweetened condensed milk, fold in some egg whites, shape the cookies, and then once they're baked, we'll dip them into chocolate, add a little chocolate drizzle on top to make them look extra festive. These are going to be perfect for the holiday season or any time of the year. Find all the recipe details down in the video description box below, and I'll have everything up on my website, including this recipe with metric measurements. And now let me show you how to make some delicious coconut cookies. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've lined 2 baking sheets with parchment paper for the cookies. I'm going to set these aside and we can get started on our cookie batter. In a large mixing bowl, I've measured out 4 cups of sweetened shredded coconut. To that, I'm going to add in 1 cup of finely chopped salted roasted pistachios, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we need 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Use a spatula and combine everything together. You want to make sure the coconut and the pistachio are well coated in the sweetened condensed milk. And mix this all together until you don't have any dry patches of shredded coconut. You have like this uniform, sticky coconut and pistachio mixture. Into a separate mixing bowl, drop in 3 large egg whites. You could do this in your stand mixer or hand mixer, and we're going to whisk the egg whites until stiff peaks form. I'm going to add the egg whites in batches to my coconut pistachio mixture and very gently fold the egg whites in with your spatula. Just kind of, I know it's going to be a little tricky because this mixture is so thick, but kind of break the egg whites into the coconut mixture. And as you add more egg whites, you'll see that cookie batter is going to soften. To measure out this mixture for each cookie, I am using a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop. You want to kind of press the mixture into the scoop, and then we'll drop it onto our lined cookie sheets. And these cookies will not expand during baking, so you can place them pretty close together to one another, just not too close to allow for even baking. I usually do about 9 cookies per sheet. This recipe makes about 18 cookies. My pistachio coconut macaroons are ready to go into the oven. They're going to bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 24 to 26 minutes until they're a rich golden brown color around the edges. They should also be golden brown color over the top. We'll take them out, let them cool in a wire rack, and then come back to add our chocolate drizzle. I have my cookies cooled and ready to go. Next up, it's time for chocolate. I have a little 10-ounce bag of dark chocolate melts, and I do recommend using melts and not chocolate chips. I'm going to take this over to the microwave, melt and stir until it's completely smooth. And once that chocolate is nicely melted, we could start dipping our cookies. Carefully take the cookie by the top and dip the bottom into chocolate. Kind of submerge it so you get a little chocolate on the sides. And then swirl and kind of scrape off the excess chocolate off the bottom. We're going to put the cookies onto a sheet of parchment paper until that chocolate is set. Transfer any remaining chocolate into a pastry bag, cut off the tip, and then add a little chocolate drizzle on top of each cookie. And if you'd like, you can also add some finely ground pistachios over the top of the cookies while the chocolate is still wet. And that's it for my chocolate pistachio coconut macaroons. These turned out so pretty with that chocolate drizzle and then the finely ground pistachios on top. They're going to be perfect for the holidays. Don't forget to head on down into that video description box. I'll have all the recipe details up on my website for you. And now let's dig in and grab a little bite of these cookies. I also love how they look on the inside. It's just a nice mixture of coconut and pistachios, and then that chocolate on the outside. These are fantastic. These coconut cookies are so incredibly delicious. I love the flavor combination here. You get the sweet coconut with the crunchy pistachios and that bittersweet chocolate. I love the textures and the flavors. And I also love how easy they are to make too. These are going to be a hit this holiday season. If you're looking for a super easy and delicious and impressive cookie for this holiday season, these pistachio macaroons are it. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you have fun baking these cookies at home and enjoy them for the holiday season, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.